What's going on, everybody? Junior S.O.T. Metalworks coming at you from the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. Can't say enough great things about this show. We're gonna go in here and see some fine, outstanding equipment. You never know what you might see here, so we're just gonna check it out. We got a few S.O.T. peoples in the house, and we never know who else we might see. So let's go get in here out of the cold, because golly, it's cold today. All right, where's Logger Wade at? We done found some wood at the Farm Machinery Show for him. I guarantee he'll be over here after a while. All right, guys, so we're up here at the show. This gentleman just had this fired up. It had the heat rolling out of it. Miss S.O.T. says we're gonna have to get one of these for the garage. It says it burns about a gallon an hour on the diesel. And he said yesterday in this building, it daggone near heated the whole building. Everybody was saying how warm it was in here. So it is a sharp looking rig. When we get that new shop, we're definitely gonna have to get one of these. So you buying me a new heater, are you?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That's the one purchase I might let you make today.
She does not like the torpedo heaters. She said this one here smells a lot better. Macon 1240. See what we got on. Shoo, would you look at that? Long ways away from the old sickle bar I used to run back in the day. We're trying to get a little Miss S.O.T. up in the cab. Uh-oh, Miss S.O.T. is gonna get up in the cab. We're gonna end up buying some farmland just to have this thing running around, running a little hayage. We look like SLC Farms when it's all said and done. Find our section.
Yes, we did.
We found our section.
That's right. Yeah, I think so too. Just don't ask me to carry the bucket.
Don't ask.
I figure for 25 deer hitting a particular site, you're going to go through 5 or 6 buckets for the whole year. That's giving them all they want. It's free choice. I want to put a third of the bucket out right now. They'll stay with you. So you want to press nothing.
The drop tines on that jumper. Holy cow. All right, so we're at the Farm Machinery Show, and we got a special announcement we have to make. Today is somebody's special day. I'm not sure exactly what today is. What is today, little Miss S.O.T.?
It's my 21st birthday.
21st birthday. So you guys down in the comments, wish little Miss S.O.T. happy birthday. We brought her to the National Farm Machinery Show just to celebrate.
We might get her a drink.
We might.
No,
we might.
no, she's gonna have to get her own drink.
Yes, definitely.
Because I'm 21.
So yeah, what a way to celebrate your kid's 21st birthday is bring them to the National Farm Machinery Show.
Always fun stuff.
I'm such a great dad. All right, so I was standing over here looking for maybe possibilities of new garage start here and everything. Miss S.O.T., what'd you say this was?
The beginning of my pool cover.
Of your pool cover. So yeah, I see where I rate not the garage so much, more just the beginning of the pool cover. So yeah, she hasn't turned down the new garage completely, but yes, this could make a very special pool cover. All right, so we got a little competition for Logger Wade. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
We got Miss S.O.T. is going to work on the little boom here with the tiny trailer. Wade calls his tiny, so I guess this would kind of fit in the scenario, right?
It's gonna be big boy trailer.
It's gonna be big. Oh yeah. You're gonna call it, he calls his tiny, you're gonna call this one WXL?
Yeah.
So, I mean, would you look at the size, I can grab them. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're sitting fence post or something, it'd probably be all
I
right
just
to
run
have.
around and pick up all the small pieces that Logger Wade misses with his big stuff. That's all.
Lord, they got all kind of good stuff around here. All right, so we're up here looking at the Shoal rock picker. It's a pretty heavy duty built deal. So yeah, the old rock picker, you can just hook her up to your tractor, pull up next to your rocks, turn the PTO on, she rolls her up in there. And then you can get where you need to get and dump them all out.
We used to take a backer wagon and load it up by hand.
Yeah, that's what Dad used to have us do. Just, boy, get out there in that field and pick them rocks up.
Oh, look, it dumps.
Yep.
I'll be right there.
You ain't gotta do anything.
I drive that too.
You gonna drive that too? Nathan, you're from the country. You ain't used to all these people, are you? I mean, there's people everywhere.
Kind of makes me jittery.
Oh, gotta love the farm machinery show. It's a pretty awesome time up here. Done got to meet some fans. Shout out to Chris. Got to meet that nice young gentleman. So sorry I can't remember his last name. It's just part of the way I roll. That's a very forgettable kind of guy.
ADHD style.
Yes, yes, yes. I am absolutely. The daughter is absolutely out of control because I'm like Logger Wade. Oh, look, a squirrel. And yeah, deviate somewhere else. So let's get in the north wing, see what's happening over here. Oh, we got the old Yanmar out. 6-seater. Putting all the other ones to shame with 6 seats. Got the big rig going. That Joker is all right now. How's it going, sir? You doing good? Doing good, doing good. Y'all got this one looking good.
Yes, sir.
Got the mud flaps on the rear.
So my stuff don't slide everywhere.
So your stuff, you mean the cooler?
Yeah.
The old Yanmar. So, what'd you say, baby? It's got
It's got dual cup holders.
oh, so you can have 2 styles of drinks. You can have a hard liquor drink and a beer over here.
Jamie juice, and I can have my best friend Jack. It has bucket seats. I like that. Individual.
Yep. Oh Lord, look who we run into. Good Lord. Yeah, you gotta surprise them with it. So you just gotta turn the camera on. What y'all up here doing?
Walking around.
Woo! What time did y'all get in last night?
About 9:30.
9:30.
That's early days.
Alex, this is a mighty fine Valentine's Day present for him to buy for you. I mean, bring you to the National Farm Machinery Show.
I didn't get flowers. I didn't get chocolate. I didn't even get a card.
Hey, you got to ride to the Farm Machinery Show. That's all you really need.
I haven't got my good steak from the Cabins Steakhouse yet.
Oh Lord. So we've been up here in the Versatile booth. I didn't get him on camera. We were over talking to Mike Less over there. Spending a little time with him. Got to associate with the big YouTubers and everything. Yeah, got the Versatile. We've got all the tractors up in here, all the good stuff. So we're going to get over here to another booth and see what's going on. Actually, I think there's a Budweiser sign over there, and they've got Michelob Ultra, so we might head over that direction. All right, Jake, if you watch this, we've got the 360 Yield Center. If they just take 40 off there, it could be the 320 Yield Center. Be just right up your alley, buddy. All right, we got the brush cutter on the old Kubota here. Not a bad looking rig. It's right up Dirt Perfect's alley there. Of course, he's already got one for the excavator, so I'm not sure he needs one for the skid steer. But maybe Captain Kleeman does, I'm not sure. Well, yeah, the old Chevy Camaro. Old Chastain. Ross Chastain. Pretty cool deal right there. Hop in and fire that joker up. Let's get her on down the road. All right, we got the chrome baler over there. All their attachments, brakes, all the good stuff. We're fixing to head in the Kubota booth. See what we got going on there. Possibly, Miss S.O.T, you reckon we can find a tractor in the Kubota booth?
I'll buy you a Kubota. I like Kubota.
Oh yeah? Let's see what we got in here. Holy cow. I mean, they just got their own building set up in here, inside the building.
That one.
Oh yeah? You want the 3560 with the enclosed cab?
See, if you buy me one
I mean,
with windows
you
and
got
air,
show price. I mean, that's not bad. It's not too bad.
if you buy me that, then I can run the tractor.
Oh yeah?
Air conditioning and heat.
Well, good deal. We'll get you a pink shirt while we're at it.
Yeah. I like the orange ones.
You like the orange ones better?
Ooh, buy me that big one.
Oh, you want the big one? $131. Go ahead, sweetie. Climb up in there.
Show me.
Shelby, it's your turn. They're all tired. We've worn them out climbing up and stuff.
She turns 21, you get her a drink. Now she'll climb up and thing.
And they didn't even card her.
Yeah, little Miss S.O.T got a drink there on her birthday a while ago. She didn't even get carded. She was highly disappointed. Can you drive that home for me? Well, Mama said she's gonna buy it, so we'll call it good.
Little seat right there.
You gonna ride? You gonna ride with her in her buddy seat? All right.
Oh, no, I'm gonna ride with her.
Oh yeah. We stick along there.
Lord, it's like kids at a candy store here. It's just I think y'all might need to trade seats. That seat's a little on your small side.
A little bit. In Florida.
Look at this guy. We've been to Florida and everything else.
Baby sent me down to Florida.
We've been to Florida and everything else, and look, we end up to this guy at the Farm Machinery Show. Well, who's this fine, outstanding looking gentleman behind you?
Somebody hiding, man. Trying to stay. I'm one of the good guys.
That's right. That's. Woo! It's like a reunion around here.
If we could only air half the adventures in Florida, we'd either be in jail or
We survived Florida and we made it to the Farm Machinery Show, so we'll see.
She's texting.
She just texted me. I'm like, I'm with your people. Where are you at?
All right, so we got the small wheel loader here from Cat, and I'm gonna tell you guys what, they are upping their game on some tires. These jokers, I don't know how they're running the yard and stuff, but the aggressiveness on those tires are coming out top notch. $259D3. Looking pretty good. Can't complain about that one. We're here at the Cat booth. Got all your fine, outstanding cat apparel. Let's see if we can get Dirt Perfect there in a Caterpillar shirt. Maybe it'd make his Volvo jealous. All right, you two, what you doing?
standing there.
Just hanging out?
Yeah.
Standing? Y'all have had enough Farm Machinery Show for one day?
Getting there.
About a...
I love farming.
Nathan can just stay over here all day long. He doesn't care.
All day.
Shelby's like, yeah, my feet have had enough. But we are standing on the carpet, so I mean, that counts for something. We fix to go eat some good food and stuff like that. We fix to get on out of house. All right, everybody, that's a wrap on the National Farm Machinery Show 2020 in Louisville, Kentucky. Got that squared away. Met some fine, outstanding folks. Bunch of YouTubers got to meet up with Mike Less. Got to talk to him. That was pretty cool. Met up with Southern Dirt 95 down in Alabama. Logger Wade, Dirt Perfect, and of course the Harmless Farmer. Got to meet up with Andy again. That was great to see him again. Hanging out with him afterwards. We the families and everybody went out, ate a little Mexican, got to hang out, tell some stories, catch up, see what's been going on with everybody. So yeah, I spent some time after the Farm Machinery Show in a great way. So yeah, guys, if you haven't been up to the National Farm Machinery Show, you're really missing out. If you ever get a chance, make sure you go up there and walk around. Doesn't cost anything to walk around. It was $10 for parking, and you got to see all this fine, outstanding stuff that was in this video. So, all right, guys, we're going to get out of here. Remember, stay safe out there. As always, work smarter, not harder.